Display S24, expected to have a 6.1-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate, Full HD plus resolution. S24 Plus, likely to feature a larger 6.7-inch screen with similar specs. S24 Ultra, expected to have a massive 6.8-inch QHD plus dynamic AMOLED 2X display with adaptive refresh rates from 1Hz to 120Hz. Display performance. The S24 series will likely be powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset in some regions and the Exynos 2400 in others, depending on the region. More efficient power management and performance improvements are expected with this new generation. Camera system S24 and S24 Plus, likely to have a triple camera setup, including a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom. Telephoto lens. Rumors suggest that the telephoto lens could support up to 5 times optical zoom, enhancing photography versatility. Front camera. An upgraded front camera may feature improved low-light performance and advanced autofocus capabilities. There might also be enhancements in portrait mode and video capabilities. Camera software. New computational photography features are likely to enhance night mode, portrait mode, and real-time image processing. Battery life. S24 Ultra, likely to feature a large 5,000 mAh battery for extended usage. All models will support fast charging, 25 watts or more, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging. Software. The S24 series will run on One UI 6 based on Android 14. New features are expected, including improved customization, widgets, and deeper integration with Samsung's ecosystem. Connectivity, 5G support, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.3 will be standard across all models. USB-C for charging and data transfer. Price. Pricing is expected to be similar to previous S-series releases, with the base model starting around $799 and the S24 Ultra possibly priced around $1,199 or higher. Release date. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S24 series in January or February 2024, with availability likely following shortly thereafter. Please keep in mind these details are based on leaks and industry expectations. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, be sure to check official announcements from Samsung. Way to interact with notifications and activities. MagSafe. Continued support for MagSafe accessories, enhancing the ecosystem of wireless charging and attachments. Pricing and availability. Pricing. Pricing is expected to be consistent with previous Pro Max models, likely starting around $1,099 for the base model with 256 GB of storage. Storage options. Storage configurations may range from 256 GB to 1 TB.